Hi, welcome to this video looking at Year 3 multiplication and division from the White Rose Maths website. As ever, feel free to obviously pause the video, try the questions first, and then press play when you're ready. This is question number 1. Complete the sentences. There are something equal groups of something flowers. So, there are 3 equal groups of 5 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each group has 5 flowers. Okay. And there are 3 groups. Okay. There are 15 flowers in total because 3 times 5 is 15, or alternatively 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15. Okay, so 5 times 3 or 3 times 5. Okay, multiplication in maths is what we call commutative. Okay, so I can switch to my machine and still get the same answer. I get 15. Okay, this is question number 2, guys. Complete the number sentences for the array. I've got 4 apples, 8 apples, 12 apples. I've got 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is 12. Okay, and I've got 4 apples times 3 rows. Okay, each row has 4 apples. The answer I get is 12. This is question number 3, guys. 5 people have 8 grapes each. How many grapes do they have altogether? Well, 5 8s are 40. 5 times 8 is 40, guys. Okay. Question number 4. Complete the bar model. So I'm splitting 35 into 5 pieces. So I'm doing 35 divided by 5. Which we get as 7. Okay, so each little bit represents a 7. Okay, this is question number 5. Teddy has 32 cars to tidy away. He puts 8 cars in each box. How many boxes are needed? Well, I'm going to do 32 divided by 8. Okay, how many 8's going to 32? Well, 8, 16, 24, 32. So the answer is 4. Okay. This is question number 6, guys. Tick all the statements that are equal to 8 times 2. Well, 2 times 8 is also the same. Okay, 8 times 2 is 16. 2 times 8 is also 16. 7 times 2 plus 2. So here I've got to use what I call bid maths. So I do this bit first. 7 times 2 is 14. Add 2 is 16. That's also right. 4 times 4 is 16. Okay, this one not quite, because if I use bid maths or bod maths, I do 7 times 2 first, which is 14. 14 plus 8 is 22. So that one's not true, okay, or not equal to 8 times 2. Okay, so 2 times 8 is 16. That gives me 16. That gives me 16, and this gives me 22. Okay, so that one's going to be a cross. This is question number 7. A blue hat costs £9. A red hat costs 4 times as much. How much does the blue hat and the red hat cost altogether? Okay, so 4 lots of 9 is £36. £36 plus the £9 is £45. Okay, altogether means that I'm adding my answers together. Okay, This is question number 8, guys. Fill in the boxes. Use a different number in each box. 24 divided by 4, let's say, is 6. Okay. And then here we could say that 8 is equal to 24 divided by 3. Okay. This is question number 9, guys. Complete the missing number. Something times 4 equals 32 divided by 4. Well, 32 divided by 4, so the right-hand side gives me an answer of 8. So something times 4 is 8. So 2 times 4 is 8. So if you're trying to work out this missing box, if you divide both sides by 4, okay, so essentially what you're doing is doing 32 divided by 16, which gives me the answer of 2. Okay, so I've got like an equation here. Okay, this is question number 10. I am dividing a 2-digit number by 3. My answer is a whole number. What could the missing digit be? Well, the missing digit could be 2. Okay, 12 divided by 3 is 4. Okay, list all the possible answers. Okay, well, I could have 15. Obviously the one's there, so a 5 can be there. I can have 18. Okay, I can have 21. Okay, so essentially it's the 3 times table right the way through to 99. Okay, I can't go above 99. Okay, because then it becomes a 3-digit number. So it's going to be 24. Okay, so it can be. Oh no, sorry. It is asking for like the missing digit. Sorry, so I don't have to write this all out. So it can be a 1 here. Sorry, a 5. Hang on a second. It's a 1 there, so it can't be. Sorry. So it can only be 15, 18, 12. Okay, so the missing digit could either end in a 2, end in a 5, or end in an 8. Okay, for that one. Okay, you're doing 12 divided by 3, 15 divided by 3, 18 divided by 3. Okay, right guys, please do go ahead actually and circle how confident you're feeling with multiplication and division. Okay, we are now looking at some GCSE foundation tier maths, okay, so it's appropriate for Key Stage 3 students as well, and it may also be appropriate for Key Stage 2 students as well. Okay, this is question number 1. Minus 6 plus 5, I get negative 1, okay, because the answer gets bigger. Okay, next part, solve this equation. Well, if I subtract 5 on both sides, 11 take away 5 is 6. 6 is equal to 2x. If I then divide both sides by 2, okay, that will isolate and get x by itself. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay, 3 is equal to x. This one, convert 50 meters to kilometers. Well, meters to kilometers, I divide by 1,000. Okay, so make sure you are happy with your conversions. 50 divided by 1,000 is 0.05 kilometers. Okay. For that question. Okay, we're now looking at ratio, proportion, okay, and rate of change. An amount was increased by 25%, decreased by 25% to 135. What was the original amount? Well, I'm going to be doing something, okay, times 0.75, because that's my decimal multiplier. If something's decreased by 25%, then I'm multiplying by 75%, has to equal 135. Dividing both sides by 0.75, I get 135 divided by 0.75. Okay, so you're dividing by 3/4, so multiplying by 4/3 essentially. Okay. It's 180. Okay, we're now looking at statistics. Okay, find the mode of red, white, black, purple, white. So mode means most occurring, so the one that appears the most. White appears twice, so white is the mode, okay, because white appears the most. Okay. Probability now, a fair coin is flipped. What's the probability of getting the heads? Well, it's 1 out of a possible 2 outcomes, because I can get a heads or a tails. Okay. Right guys, this is the end of today's short, sharp video. I hope it made sense. I hope it was informative. If you did find it useful, please drop a like, please subscribe to the channel, and lastly, please click that bell icon so you don't miss out on further videos and further uploads. Okay, but that's it for me today guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you for the next one. Bye bye for now.